In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to share with you 3 side hustles that no one knows and that you can use to make over $1,000 every single day.
Over $1,000 every single day. That's what he's saying.
That side hustle is so easy, even a 10-year-old could do it.
And yeah, guys, 10-year-old can do it.
First up, proofreading. I personally tested this side hustle and I made anywhere from $15 to $100 per hour.
Let me write down, guys. 10-year-old can do it. You can make $1,000 per day. And he personally made $15 to $100 per hour.
Doing proofreading online, just head over to a platform like Upwork and look for proofreading gigs that you can take. Use ChatGPT to proofread the documents for you, submit them, and get paid by doing nothing.
Mr. Rice, I love your videos, but trust me, it's too good to be true. You make YouTube videos every single day. Long videos, short videos. And you're saying you personally tested proofreading task and made $15 to $100 per hour. First of all, you are not 10 years old. And second, it seems English is your first language. Above everything else, if ChatGPT can do the job, why would somebody pay $15 to $100 per hour? And 10 years old can easily make $1,000 per day by charging clients for this kind of task. Don't you think people would just use ChatGPT and get their proofreading done all by themselves? Something is not matching up. So guys, I did some digging for you. I went to Google and searched for how much people can make with proofreading in 2025. And I got some articles, case studies, forum discussions, and instead of depending on ChatGPT, I used a little advanced AI to get my answers. I went to notebooklm.google.com and I put all the sources that I wanted to research on in one place. And then I asked questions. And yes, it seems that proofreaders in the US earn $27.65, with most proofreaders earn between $20 to $33 per hour. This is amazing, but this is true for the people living in the US. English is their first language. A 10-year-old from Bangladesh, India, Pakistan will not be able to do it. Heck, even a 10-year-old from US can't do it. So I did a little more digging. I went to Upwork.com. And I searched for talent and searched with proofreading. And guess what? People are making tons of money. And look at this. This lady earned over $100,000 with proofreading type of tasks. Another freelancer right here earned over $1,000. And you will find tons and tons of people made tens of thousands of dollars. This guy made over $10,000. This freelancer made over $50,000. This one made over $20,000. This is so lucrative, especially when you do everything with just ChatGPT. But that question is still valid. Why would the clients pay a lot of money for just proofreading that can easily be done using ChatGPT? They can do it themselves. So I dug a little deeper. I went to this freelancer's profile and checked the completed jobs. Well, you'll see she completed business documents, bibliography formatting, edit poetry journal, worked as an expert editor for 15-page APA document, children's book editor, minor resume revisions, format a paper, and references into APA. Do they sound like beginner friendly to you? Well, let me ask more precisely. For this one job, she got $660. And for another job, she earned $250, and another one she earned $300. Do you think people are just paying her $200 and $300 just to use ChatGPT for a couple of minutes? I don't think so. All right, let me tell you my thoughts. I think she is an expert at what she does. She speaks English. English is her native language. Oh yes, I'm right. She knows American Sign Languages. And if you go a little more details, she knows something called copy editing. What is copy editing? Okay, let me help you with something. When you do this kind of research, always look for what other suggestions you are receiving from the platform. Example, when I searched with proofreading, I got suggestions for other skills on the left-hand side. And these skills are proofreading, copy editing, editing and proofreading, writing English, academic editing, content writing, copywriting, creative writing, article writing, blog writing, Microsoft Word, book editing, academic writing, which means all these freelancers are not only an expert of proofreading, And they're not only getting proofreading jobs, they get their jobs based on their expertise in all these skills. Can you do everything with ChatGPT and get paid only to use ChatGPT? Maybe, but odds are these high-paying clients will not pay you every day just for using ChatGPT for a couple of seconds. What do you think? Do you still think 10 years old can do it and make $1,000 per day? I don't know, I leave that to you. Besides, you see all those hundreds of people in just one platform, and there are hundreds of other platforms out there. Do you still think it's a blue ocean to get a job for $15 per hour to $100 per hour and make easy $1,000 every day just by spending a couple of minutes with ChatGPT? I want to know. And that's why I went to Notebook LM and asked this question, that if AI is doing most of the work and there are tons of competitors already in the market, what steps should freelancers take to make even more money than before? And here is the answer. Instead of just being a ChatGPT operator and do some AI stuff to get your proofreading done and get paid by your client, you need to specialize in AI resistant niches. So what is AI resistant niches? One of the AI resistant niches is technical niche. Technical and scientific documents cannot be proofread just by AI, and you cannot rely on the results you get from AI. Human reviewers must review a technical document before submitting to a client, and the client being able to use it as a reliable document. The next one is legal. AI will give you speed, but any legal document must go through a human reviewer before it is finally used. Creative writing. AI is not just yet there. To write creative content, engage people, make them go through the content, and come back and buy again and again. So creative content has to be done or at least reviewed by a human reviewer. That's just a few of a pretty comprehensive suggestion I got from Notebook LM. So now you probably see the right way to use AI. You use AI to learn fast, learn knowledge and skills fast. Now, if you want to use AI to learn copywriting, go ahead, do it. You want to learn a language, go ahead, do it. You want to build skills, increase your knowledge, AI is the right tool for you. AI is your best friend. But do you still think that AI will make you $15 to $100 per hour? I leave the answer to you. Here is how we use AI and it's making us money every day. Like these beginner students who joined our program to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing using AI, free traffic, automated funnel. And the best part is our program is 99% done for you. So it was super simple to make $500, $300 affiliate commissions were super simple for these beginner students. And here is what we do in our program. We learn how to use AI, acquire knowledge and skills super fast. Then we use that knowledge and skills and our experience of using AI. We make short videos, like 1 minute long TikTok videos and Instagram Reel and YouTube Shorts. Then we publish them, you guessed it, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, and on Facebook. Again, we make one piece of video and publish everywhere on multiple accounts. These platforms send us free customers through our AI-powered automated funnel. This funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And our system is 99% done for you. What do I mean by 99% done for you? It means our members don't need to make a website. They don't need to do selling. They don't need to do shipping. They don't need to provide customer service. All they do is spend 60 to 90 minutes per day according to our guideline and get free customers from the internet and earn these commissions. Now, are you going to make money like this? I don't know. It depends on you. But there is a way you can assess whether it is the right fit for you or not. There is a free video training, and the training video link is in the description below. Go watch that training and you will clearly understand what we do and how we help these beginners. And at the end of the training, you will learn about our program. If you have any questions after watching the video training, go to this AI chat agent and ask your questions. It will give you all the answers you need. But if you're still not happy, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram or Facebook. I will be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. The free training link is in the description below. Go watch it and learn everything step by step. And if you think our program is a good fit, go join the program and start your journey. Did you like this video? I don't want to say that this video was right or wrong, true or false. I just want to say you should take an educated decision before you start something. If you like the video, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and to learn more money making techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.